Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia and I continue my tour about houses that we are doing for today. We're gonna see 6 houses. This is one of them. They are in Cincinnati, this area called Mount Healthy. And I'm gonna show you street first, which you can see it's a really nice street. I really believe that this house and our agent is trying to get in. It's really interesting. Okay, you can hardly can see the house. This is behind all these trees. Look at this wonderful huge tree. And this is a nice weather. I'm just gonna go around show you house first while he's trying to open it. You think we're gonna be able to get in? Ah, okay. You see what's happened? 3 fall right here, and it has a ramp to go in, but you cannot. So he's gonna open door for us from the back door, so we can get in. I really like the neighborhood. I like the feel of it. And this is a house. You just need to cut all these trees to open the house. It's look really, really nice. Just have grapes growing all around. It has AC. And because AC is still here, it's telling us about the neighborhood, that this is a nice neighborhood. Okay. This is neighbor house. And it's kind of fenced. It has this small shed. I think it was an addition. Beautiful mature trees. Some sitting outside. The interesting thing here in Cincinnati is that you usually don't have backyard. You know, people would just sit on a porch and look through the porch. Okay. And is it nice inside? Need some work? I am coming.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, this is kitchen. I would
This is the
say.
kitchen. You have a little room up there. Could be laundry, but there's a laundry room.
Maybe.
Yeah. Laundry room.
But it
shower.
has a shower
Mhm.
and probably
And
toilet right
sink,
here.
toilet.
Sink. Look at this beautiful sink. I don't know who was living here. Probably some tiny people, right?
Maybe so.
And
And you have the vent for the dryer.
a washer and dryer hookups here.
Right.
Perfect. So I like houses when you don't need to go to the basement.
No,
And
no
I'm
basement.
trying not to get people on camera.
Yeah.
Okay, it's no leaks, no nothing. It's really interesting house.
Very interesting.
Yeah, really short.
I would make a tour here. This is where your furnace and hot water tank is located.
Okay. So this is we're gonna call basement.
Yes.
And it has AC here too. And we have some problems with the floor. It's kind of bubbling. I don't know if you can see it. Oops. Okay. Is it a short cell too, or it's regular cell?
This says regular cell.
Yeah. Okay. One bedroom and closet here. And it's the same area, right? Prices here are pretty
Yes.
good.
So you have some that's going for over 100,000.
Oh.
This one, so
Another toilet.
full bath.
Oh, it's a full bath. Yeah,
that's
you're
like
right.
that one.
And this was a leak probably that they fixed it. And it has a shower. I think this house was done for disabled person, you know, like because it has a ramp.
Yeah. And then
It's
this is
pretty
the
big.
second bedroom.
I don't know if you can see ceiling, it's kind of hanging. Yeah.
I need to get you a laser pointer.
Yeah.
A laser pointer so you can point.
Yeah.
So this is the bedroom, that's the bedroom, and then this is
Living room. So it's really 2-bedroom only.
Right.
It's pretty decent too.
Need some
Just
more
you need new floors, I would say.
floors, roof,
Yeah.
as you can see outside.
And it's really interesting location of electrical, I would say, right?
Yes. Very interesting.
Okay. And closet here. It's a good house too. Okay. So 1 bedroom.
2 bedrooms.
Okay. And this room.
This one, I don't know, I'll move the door,
Right.
I'll put a door here. And
Yeah.
this is that front door.
Yeah, probably you're right. But this is a kitchen, that's all what you need. Sink. And that's it, right?
I don't know what that is.
That's nice house. What do
I
you
just
think?
want this off because of the shower.
Yeah, of the shower.
The
Mhm.
door.
They did some, some addition to this house. Okay, this house it's sold. Aziz, do you like this huge letter so you don't ask for anything? 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. And again, this is the address, and if you're interested, this is the guy to contact. Okay? Hopefully it was helpful.